Welcome to Learn and Teach American English with Maestro Sersea Podcast. Our educational podcast is designed for adult learners who are new to the United States. It covers numerous essential topics, real situations you will encounter in daily American life. Each episode is organized into 3 sections. Section 1, Key Vocabulary. 10 important words and phrases related to the topic, each with a clear definition and an example sentence showing how it is used in context. Section 2, Dialogue. A realistic conversation between 2 or more people in a real-life situation. Pay attention to the phrases used and the polite, direct communication style common in the United States. Section 3, Article. An informational article that gives you deeper knowledge about the topic. After listening, try to summarize the main ideas in your own words. Suggested study approach for best results. Study 1 episode per session. First, review the vocabulary. Second, listen to the dialogue. Third, listen to the article. Then, review the episode one more time to reinforce what you have learned. This podcast covers transportation, finance, health, education, employment, daily life, housing, safety, community resources, civic life, and a variety of other helpful topics, the areas of American life where strong English skills matter most. Okay, are you ready to begin? Let's get started.
Using public transportation. Buses, trains, and transit apps in American cities. Section 1. Key vocabulary. Study these 10 words and phrases. They will help you in this situation. 1. Route. The path a bus or train takes from one place to another, identified by a number or letter. Example: Route 14 goes directly from downtown to the university campus. 2. Transfer. When you change from one bus or train to another to continue your journey. Example: You will need to transfer at Central Station to reach the hospital. 3. Fare. The price you pay to ride a bus or train. Example: The bus fare is $2.50 per trip, or you can buy a monthly pass for $85. 4. Transit card. A reloadable card used to pay for bus and train rides instead of using cash. Example: I loaded $20 onto my transit card so I don't have to carry change. 5. Schedule. A timetable showing what time buses or trains arrive and depart from each stop. Example: I checked the schedule online and saw the next bus leaves at 3:15 p.m. 6. Rush hour. The busiest time of day on public transportation, usually 7 to 9 a.m. and 4 to 6 p.m. on weekdays. Example. During rush hour, the trains are very crowded and sometimes run late. 7. Monthly pass. A transit card that allows unlimited rides for 1 month for a set price. Example. If you ride the bus every day, a monthly pass is cheaper than paying per trip. 8. Stop. A specific place where a bus or train picks up and drops off passengers. Example. My stop is the corner of Main Street and Fifth Avenue. 9. Real-time tracking. A feature on transit apps that shows you exactly where a bus or train is right now. Example. I used the real-time tracking feature on the app to see that my bus was 4 minutes away. 10. Accessibility. Features on transit systems that help people with disabilities ride safely, such as ramps and priority seating. Example. The new buses have low floors and ramps for wheelchair accessibility. Section 2. Dialogue. On the bus. Yolanda. Excuse me, does this bus go to the West Side Community Center? Driver. Not directly. This is Route 8, it goes to Downtown Plaza. From there, you can take Route 22 to the community center. Yolanda. I see. Can I use the same fare for the second bus? Driver. Yes, if you pay with your transit card, you get a free transfer within 2 hours. Yolanda. Great. I only have cash today, is that okay? Driver. Yes, but cash fares are $2.75 and we don't give change. With a transit card it's $2.25. Yolanda. Okay. Here is $3. Driver. Thank you. Take a seat. Your stop for Downtown Plaza will be in about 15 minutes. Yolanda. Will you announce the stop, or should I watch for it? Driver. The stops are announced automatically on the speaker. You can also follow along on the route map above the door. Yolanda. Thank you. One more question. Is there a phone app one can use to track the buses? Driver. Yes. Download the transit app. It shows real-time locations for all buses in the city. Very helpful. Section 3. Article. Getting around by bus and train. Public transportation is an affordable and practical way to get around American cities. Buses, subways, and light rail systems connect neighborhoods, schools, hospitals, and workplaces. Learning how to use the transit system in your city is an important skill. Before your first trip, download the official transit app for your city or use Google Maps. These apps show you which bus or train to take, where to transfer, and how long your trip will take. Many apps also show real-time bus locations so you know exactly when the next one is coming. When riding the bus, you can pay with cash, a transit card, or your phone. Transit cards are the best option because they often offer discounted fares and free transfers. You can buy and reload transit cards at transit offices, grocery stores, and online. To ride safely and comfortably, always wait at the official bus stop, not in the middle of the sidewalk. When the bus arrives, let passengers exit first before boarding. If the bus is crowded, move toward the back to make room. Give up your seat for elderly, disabled, or pregnant passengers. If you are unsure which stop to get off at, you can ask the driver before you board, or watch the electronic display inside the bus. Most buses and trains also make audio announcements for each stop. Monthly passes are available at a lower cost than paying per ride, making them ideal for daily commuters. Students, seniors, and people with certain disabilities often qualify for reduced fare programs. Ask your transit authority about discounts.
Thank you so much for listening to the Learn and Teach American English with Maestro Sersea Podcast. Today's episode is designed to help adult English learners communicate with confidence in real American situations. Here's what I'd like you to do before our next episode. Review today's vocabulary, practice the dialogue out loud, and listen again to the article, maybe even take notes. And if you found this helpful, please subscribe to our podcast and share it with a friend or colleague. Your support helps us reach more learners around the world. Until next time, stay curious and keep learning.